Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your notification settings for uGroups on both the web version and the mobile app. From the home page, select the bell icon next to your photo in the top right corner. Select the blue Notification Settings. Here you can change the settings to suit your preferences. You can choose between general notifications and individual group settings that you are in. If you only want to have a notification on your web browser, you can select just the web option, or you can use the email option, which sends you an email for any posts in that group. The mobile option determines what app notifications you will get through the app. You can also control this within the mobile app itself, or you can control your phone's notification settings on your phone directly in General Settings, which overrides anything you choose here if you decide to turn them off. The unsubscribe from all notifications button may seem useful, but we recommend that you do not use it because you might miss important messages from the school. It is better to customize notifications to make sure you get important updates from records, student life, academic administration, etc., and turn off clubs or certain notifications. Any changes you make will be automatically saved. Now for the mobile app. On the mobile app, you can change the notification settings by clicking the bell icon in the top right corner of the feed page. Select the settings icon. Here you have limited options, but you can still change your preferences. The green button means that the notification is live or on, and the gray button means that the notification is turned off. Click Done to save your preferences. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact uGroups Help with information on your screen. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.